In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most gracious, the most merciful, complete blessing and salutation upon Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, his entire household, all his companions. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless every single one of them, and may He bless every single one of us. Mr. President, Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, venerated jury, and dear fellows, Asalamualikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I feel proud and privileged to have an opportunity to speak on today's topic of discussion, Let's Change Pakistan. Mr. President, Pakistan is our soil, it's our homeland, it's our motherland. It came into being on the sacrifices of millions, from the vision of our founding leaders to the hard work of every citizen. We have a foundation that can inspire generations, but today we must ask ourselves, is this the Pakistan our forefathers dream of? Are we living up to the ideals of progress, justice, and equality that we promise ourselves? No. Mr. President, I am sorry to say that here in my country, in my homeland, in my motherland, in my community, in my society, everything is vice versa. Mr. President, there is chaos, there is indiscipline, there is lawlessness, there is panic all around, there is anarchy everywhere, there is total breakdown in the province, in the region, in the country, in the nation, in the society, in the Muslim Ummah, and in the Millat Islamiyah. Mr. President, that's not all. There is extremism, there is sectarianism, there is provincialism, there is nepotism, there is corruption, there is bad governance. Mr. President, that's not enough. We are the slaves of United States, we are the subordinate of Europe, we are the defaulter of IMF, we are the creditor of World Bank. Dear fellows, as young Pakistanis, we often hear about the challenges that our country faces, but instead of just complaining, let's become the change makers. Dear audience, the time for complaining is over. The time for excuses is gone. Our system needs reform. Our institutions need accountability. And most importantly, our mindset needs to evolve. Respected sir, Pakistan needs change. And that change must begin with us. If we work together, if we believe in our potential, there is no limit to what we can achieve. Sir, it is time we come together to break the chains of stagnation and move forward with determination, unity, and hope. Mr. President, to change Pakistan, we need to focus on education. We need to focus on health care. We need to focus on economic growth. We need to focus on infrastructure, social justice, environmental sustainability. These pillars will lift our country out of poverty, inequality, and darkness. Respected sir, being a Pakistani, it's my duty to make efforts for the betterment of my beloved country. There are multiple ways for making my country stand in the queue of development countries. As a student, I can work hard and get a sound grasp in my field. As a social media user, I can share articles that show positive side of Pakistan. As a writer, I would write well about my country. As an employee, I can work honestly. As a citizen, I can play my role to bring unity and harmony. Dear audience, Together we can change Pakistan for the better. Let's work together to create a better Pakistan. Together we have the power to drive positive change, uplift our communities, and nurture an environment where innovation and growth can thrive. Together we can make Pakistan a progressive, prosperous and peaceful nation. Respected sir, improving Pakistan requires collective efforts from the government, civil society and citizens. So dear audience, let us unite our collective efforts for the development of Pakistan. By working hand in hand, we can create a brighter and more progressive future for our nation. Thank you for your patience.